Hello lovelies, welcome back. What shall I shape this okra stew recipe? I added in some vegetable oil, some diced onions, stir together, some seasoning, some white pepper, some salt, some tomato paste. I'll give it a good stir and I'll cover and cook it on a low heat for 15 minutes. So here is it. After 15 minutes, I'll add in my blended garlic, ginger, tomato, crayfish. So I stir and cover and cook it. Once your oil is floating like this, it means your stew is cooked. So I added more chili pepper and I gave it a good stir. I added my diced okra, my spinach. I'll give it a good stir. All my returning subscribers, thank you for always returning to like, share, comment on my videos. May the good Lord bless you. If you are new to the channel, please join the family by subscribing. So I covered and I steamed it for 1 minute. So I added my mixed protein that I have already cooked. So I'll give it a good mix. Turn on the post notification so that anytime we upload you'll be notified. Feel free to also check my channel out for other videos that you might find helpful. So I covered and steam it again for another 1 minute. Ready? Enjoy. See you in my next one. Bye.